Classic Ferraris are actually slow, but they feel faster than modern supercars. And the reason is simple. Everything is amplified. The first time I drove this on a mountain road, I honestly thought I was going way faster than I was. There's no power steering, so every corner takes effort. No power brakes, so you actually feel the stopping. You sit low, right on the ground. The noise is louder, the vibrations stronger. Even the imperfections, they're part of it. It tricks your brain into thinking you're going way faster than you are. And on the roads like these, that feeling is everything. So if you're worried it won't feel fast enough, stop overthinking it. Just drive one.